Hi everyone, today I'm featuring Fireworks and Freedom Big Bundle Kit from Fancy Pants Designs. In this kit, you will get 12 by 12 cardstocks, one each of 6 double-sided designs, 12 by 12 sticker sheets, 68 pieces, enamel dots, 60 pieces, and ephemera, 89 pieces. And stay tuned till the very end. After I go through all of the elements in this pack, I'm going to open this up and go through this piece by piece. And don't forget to check the description below where I'll have my affiliate link and discount code.